Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video we are going to be doing a what I eat in the day video. David actually has the day off today, so it's kind of a what we eat in a day because whatever I make he'll probably eat as well. But yeah, that's the plan. We're going to start off with breakfast. You obviously saw I had some coffee this morning. I'll probably make an iced coffee in a little bit, but we're going to start with breakfast now. All right, for breakfast, I decided I was gonna make a little breakfast scramble just because we have a bunch of veggies and eggs. So I thought I would make a little scramble for myself. We have leftover zucchini and squash, and then I have some mushrooms, onions, avocado, that type of thing. So I'm just gonna cut up all these veggies and then basically throw them all in a pan. It'll be super easy, but really good. So let's get cutting.
It's kinda crazy, the kinds of things life throws at you. I never knew I was so safe in your eyes. Now you're all I need. It wasn't long before I knew that I fell for you and you had my heart. As fast as the seasons change, my heart was stolen. Parts of me that were broken found love. And no amount of distance can change how I'm feeling.
Okay, breakfast is done. It was super simple. I ended up using zucchini, squash, mushrooms, green onion, some cheese, and then one egg and then one egg white. And it's probably a little bit more veggie to egg than I probably should have done, but it's a good problem to have. And then just a bowl of peaches, because right now peaches are amazing and I have always loved peaches so much, but this time of year they're just like next level. They're so good. So I'm gonna try, oh, I also put hot sauce on my scramble because eggs without hot sauce are just not great. So I am going to eat this. I normally would have never thought to put zucchini or squash in my eggs, but we had them from a couple nights ago, just left over in our refrigerator, so I thought I would use them, and they're actually very good. I love zucchini so much, so yeah, it's kind of a fun, like, different vegetable to put in eggs than I normally do. All right, so that is breakfast, and I will see you guys at lunch. It's lunchtime, and to no surprise, I am making a bowl for lunch. We made street tacos last night, so we have a bunch of leftover carnitas and just a bunch of like toppings. So I thought I would make it into a bowl today with a couple extra ingredients than we used on the street tacos, but that's the plan for lunch. Love a good bowl, you guys know this. So we're just gonna chop up a bunch of stuff and throw it all together. It'll be a really quick, easy lunch and a good way to use leftovers. I'm not the best about using leftovers. David is way better than I am. So I'm trying to get a little bit better about being creative with what we have and not having to like buy new stuff every day. So that's what I'm making for lunch. We got our bowl, looks so good. I swear I could eat Mexican food like every other day. David's is Italian. He could eat Italian for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. He's obsessed. But mine is definitely Mexican. It's just so good. I knew I had to bring over the hot sauce because I am a hot sauce addict, and the amount of hot sauce I use on the daily basis is probably not normal, but it's just so good, and I love anything spicy. We were just talking that we want to try some new hot sauces. We definitely have our favorites, but I don't know, there's just so many at the grocery store, and I always like want to grab one, but I don't know, they can be bad, so I get nervous to like buy something new. So if you like spicy stuff like I do, what is your favorite hot sauce? I have a few. Cholula is always good. There's a few like local to us that you probably wouldn't be able to get unless you lived here. Chipotle Tabasco is so good on Chipotle, like burritos or anything like that. If you don't use it, you need to try it. It's so good. But yeah, wanting to try some new ones. A couple of videos ago we mentioned that we're going to go to Key West for our 5-year wedding anniversary, which I'm so excited about, and it's already in less than 4 weeks. So I decided last night that on Monday, in a couple days, I'm gonna start a very like clean, low carb diet until we go, just to kind of hopefully lose like 5 to 10 pounds, maybe if I'm lucky, just to feel a little bit better about myself, you know, lose a little bit more of my baby weight, and that's kind of my goal. So if you have any really good healthy recipes that you love, or I don't know, any tips? I hate dieting. I'm so bad at it. I very much am like all in until I'm not, and I fall off the bandwagon for like months. So I'm gonna try to keep it realistic, but also I only have 4.5 weeks, so I want to be really like smart about what I'm eating. Definitely going on my walks still, you know, just to feel a little bit better about myself on vacation. But yeah, very excited about that trip. I haven't been anywhere for a very long time, so very excited. All right, well, I'm gonna finish eating this before Remy wakes up, and I will see you guys at dinner. Realistically, probably at snack, because I'm not gonna wait till dinner to eat again. So I'll see you guys then. It's 3 o'clock now, and I'm getting a little hungry, and I'm also about to feed Remy. So I usually like to like have a little snack and water while I'm doing that, just because it takes like a half hour. So I'm gonna make myself, I think, just like some meat, cheese, maybe some olives, just like a little snack plate. So that's what I'm gonna have for a snack. Alright, it is dinner time, and we are going to make one of our favorite pastas of all time. It's called the Lemony Arugula Spaghetti Cacio e Pepe. Not sure I'm saying that right, but I think I am. But it's just so good. It's super light, but it has arugula, pancetta, parmesan, red pepper flakes, lemon, you know, all my favorite things. So I'm going to start making that, and then I think I'm going to make a really simple side salad to go along with it. So that's what I'm going to make tonight. Okay, so this is the pasta that we're following. It's out of the Chrissy Teigen cookbook, and these are all the ingredients you need. David so kindly pre-measured everything out for me, so it's gonna be really quick and easy for me to do. Got some pancetta, just all of the good stuff. Alright, dinner's done. I'm sitting right next to Remy, who is playing with some toys, if you can't tell. But the pasta looks amazing. And then I did a really simple salad with just lemon juice and olive oil, and kind of massaged some romaine lettuce. So yeah, that's it. And it was really easy to make. That David pre-portioned everything for me, so just kind of like putting everything together. So let's taste test it, see if I can make it as good as you did. Mm-hmm.
So good.
Yum. It's like the perfect amount of like simpleness, but still got like a lot of flavor and spice, which you guys know I like. So good. Alright, but I think that is it for today. It's already kind of late, so I don't think I'm going to eat anything else today, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next Tuesday. Bye. It's called the Lemony Arugula Spaghetti Cacio de Pepe. Arugula Spaghetti Cacciui. The Lemony Arugula Spaghetti Cacciui e Pepe.